Welcome to Daily English Talk Podcast.
Improve your English step by step.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Learn English with Us, step by step.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. Are you ready to improve your English?
Today's topic is very important. Why do people quit learning English?
Yes, many people start learning English, but then they stop.
Maybe that is you.
And that's okay. Don't worry. Today we help you
We will show you why people quit.
and how you can fix it.
Before we start, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
Ready? Let's begin.
Many learners say, English is too hard.
Yes, they feel tired. They feel confused.
Let's learn a phrase. It's too hard.
Repeat after me. It's too hard.
Again, it's too hard.
Good job.
I try to study English, but it's too hard.
My grammar is bad. It's too hard.
Now let's fix this problem.
Don't say, it's too hard. Say, I will start small.
Repeat. I will start small.
Again, I will start small.
Very good.
Start with 5 minutes a day.
Example. My quick practice is 5 minutes.
My quick breakfast is a banana. My quick English is 5 minutes.
Listen. I study English for 5 minutes.
Now you say it.
Great. Now again.
I study English for 5 minutes.
I study English for 5 minutes.
Many people say, I don't see progress.
Let's learn this sentence. I don't see progress.
Repeat, I don't see progress.
Again. I don't see progress.
I study every day, but I don't see progress.
I learn words, but I forget.
Change your thinking. I am improving.
Repeat. I am improving.
Again, I am improving.
Yes, you are improving.
Write 3 sentences every day.
Example. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work.
Simple, but powerful.
This is very common. People are afraid.
Let's learn. I am afraid to speak.
Repeat. I am afraid to speak.
Again, I am afraid to speak.
I understand, but I don't speak.
I feel shy. Say this. It's okay to make mistakes.
Repeat. It's okay to make mistakes.
Again, it's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes equals learning.
Say this sentence. My English is not perfect.
Good. Now say, but I try every day.
Amazing.
Many people say, I don't have time.
Repeat. I don't have time.
I work all day. I am busy.
Say this. I make time.
Repeat. I make time.
Learn English in daily life.
Example. In the car, listen to English. At home, speak simple sentences.
My breakfast is eggs. My drink is water.
Listen. I make time to study.
Now you say it.
Again.
I make time to study.
I make time to study.
You are doing great.
Yes, really. You are improving already.
Learning English is a journey.
Small steps every day.
Repeat after us. I can learn English.
I am improving every day.
I will not quit.
I enjoy learning English. Listen carefully. I study every day. I make time. I am improving.
Now you repeat.
Again. I study every day. I make time. I am improving.
Let's review today's key sentences.
It's too hard. Right arrow cross. I will start small. Right arrow check mark.
I don't see progress. Right arrow cross. I am improving. Right arrow check mark.
I am afraid to speak. Right arrow cross. It's okay to make mistakes. Right arrow check mark.
I don't have time. Right arrow cross. I make time. Right arrow check mark.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you study English?
Or, why did you stop before?
Thank you for listening today.
You did an amazing job.
Keep going. Don't quit.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.